see your family again.
200 million naira is a huge sum of money. I don't have that kind of money. Reduce it to 50 million so I can pay.
Do you think we are here to play? Listen. You have only 3 days to remain here. On the 4th day, you are a dead man. We'll all back in 1 million.
That is, if you refuse to comply with us,
Please help
just
me.
better respect yourself now.
Help me, please.
And what you did for.
Please, you know what you did.
Will you shut your mouth? You are making noise.
$200 million. That is too much now.
The money is just too much. I told my daughter to price them 50 million. Eh?
Papa, these people are wicked though. They are very, very wicked.
In fact, they are very wicked. Very wicked. That money is too much.
And they said if we don't bring the money, they'll kill him in 3 days' time.
God forbid. Sister Vivian should call the manager of his company so they can raise the money for him. Oh.
Come on, shut up, sister. Sister Vivian Shikai, why you think it's 10 kobo? On your Allah. If frog on your day. You think he's here eating the rice and no fire cook, yeah?
Mama, do you understand the implications of what you just said? These are kidnappers, oh. They don't smile, they just kill the person.
Are you people how is your brain working? Do you know what that money will solve in this house? Eh? Do you know if you bring that money in this house, what it will solve in this house? I blame your sister. I told her to price them lower than that. Price them 50 million. Or 10 million. 5 million, 2 million, 1 million. You bought the whole tour. I price them. On never Koiri. Are you people here telling me nonsense? Do you know what Hello, Vivian. Okay, they called. They called today. They said what? 80 million. Huh? If you don't bring it, they'll kill him tomorrow.
Ha!
Shh. Didn't you price them? Couldn't you have priced them? In fact, tell them we're not paying anything at all. Shut up. Yes. You want to go and give them 80 million? Come on, shut up, Ostila Paula. Come, I'm coming there. Keep that money there, I'm coming there. Imagine, she wants to go and give them 80 million.
And you told her not to pay?
All of you are empty brains.
Hey!
Carry 80 million and give to somebody. When we don't have any money in this house. Are you stupid?
Mama,
shut up.
Is it your money?
Come on, shut up. If I throw the phone now, if I throw this phone on you, idiot. Why am I even wasting my time with animals?
Mama, it sounds like we're talking about hell.
I don't understand. There's so many to your money.
Why is your mother like this? I mean, what is money compared to someone's life? And the money is his own, for God's sake.
Papa, can you see your wife? Can you see your wife?
Is she not your mother?
Is she not your wife?
Please don't provoke me.
She's the wife.
Don't provoke me. What is it?
Papa, go and caution your wife.
Will you just shut up? Will you shut up? You told her it's your wife. Are you not my first?
She's your wife.
Oh, can't you do something about it?
Your wife, go and caution her.
Just shut up.
She's your wife.
Let me go and
Go and caution her. Go.
Is it your money?
Caution her.
I don't understand though.
Sister calls, sister.
Hey, let me call her. Hey! These kidnappers are very serious.
I came to find out if you had called your mother.
No, I have not.
Gene, you have not.
Jerry, why? Uncle, I have a lot of important things to do. Besides, you have her number. You could have called her now.
Jerry, for goodness sake, why are you not concerned about your brother's condition? Why?
All right, Uncle. Chike does not bother about me. So why should I be bothered about him? Why? Where did she go? Let him settle the kidnappers and leave that place.
Honey, you know that they are going to open bails today. New bails, oh. I do not want to miss it for anything in the world. Not because of this your uncle. Please, let's go.
Well, Uncle, as you can see, we're on our way out. So, some other time.
Jerry, look at this girl has reduced Jerry, my elder brother's son, to nothing. Jerry has been spending the money he made on the land. On that girl from the River Naija. No, not even from the River Naija. A girl from newly refined Coven. Jerry, that girl you are spending the money on the land. Hey, Jerry, a girl assigned to you from the newly refined Coven, Jerry. Jerry, in Akwalana, I flew that girl on assignment. I'll go with Jerry. Hey!
Eh? Can't you use your brain?
What do you mean by that, Mama?
Lower your voice, Tosiso. I can think of giving somebody 80 million naira. Million.
Mama, million, billion, trillion, I don't care. My husband's life is at stake here.
Shut up, Tosiso.
Mama, let me just tell you the truth. I'm done with the arrangement with the manager to pay the money and that's it.
And you're not going to pay anything. If you give them that 80 million and they kill him, give him.
Mama, go.
Stop it.
Vivian, I thought you said you were going to see my son's money. What are you still doing here? What's going on?
Mama, I was about to go and get the car keys, so I'll get going.
Come, going where?
Mama! Why this woman is like...
Mama, I don't know. What is her mother up to this time? Ever since she arrived here this morning, I don't know, she's been angry.
I don't know. Let us go inside and find out.
We're running out of time. Call his wife to know if the money is ready. Yes, please. Call her.
Please, give my wife some time. I know she will run around to get the money. I've instructed her to.
Hey! Quiet. Who asked for your opinion? If you open your mouth here again, I will blow up your head.
This man is taking us for granted. That is why I say you should call the wife. If she's not bringing the money, let's end everything at once.
Please don't kill me. I'm begging you. Please don't kill me. Please.
You have been warned to keep quiet. Call the wife now.
This girl is very stupid. Why would she not listen to her mother? Want to give them 80 million, she must be very crazy. But she don't want 80 million, it's not 80,000. Oh no, don't you have a what happened for her? Eh?
Yeah, Teresa.
Eh?
Hey, this one that you are ranting, walking on the road, has your in-law returned?
No.
Again, is it?
It's my stupid daughter. She doesn't want to behave like her mother.
What has she done?
Could you imagine that my daughter want to part away with 80 million naira to take to the kidnappers? Or to the kidnapper? 80 million naira.
Teresa, I didn't hear well. Biko, rephrase. Did you say 80 million?
I said 80 million naira.
Hey!
Why are you shouting?
I feel like fainting.
Is it your money?
I have never heard such amount in my entire life. Hey! So your in-law is that rich?
You don't know my in-law?
He will know.
Have you forgotten that he has one of the largest bakery factory here? That bakery, that biggest one.
You are right.
It's my in-law's own.
Hey!
She's rich. It's his daughter. I want to deal with this girl.
Hi.
Why would do you know why I don't want her to give them that money? He's right, okay? That's what I'm saying. And she will not listen to me.
8 million, okay?
I'm above this kind of money, 8 million. 80 million.
80 million.
Don't be going, it's not your money. Carry your bag and be going. You know, this. I will so deal with this girl.
Hey!
I will deal with 80 million. I'm 80 million. I will deal with this girl. Money I'm going. She will see. Let her not just give me this money.
Like your mother, like your mother, like your daughter, like your daughter. I don't want. Na moto. If a nene okwaya kona kusili mwaya zela chonwa na ketu nesi meka waseme like your mother, like your daughter. If a nene meka wane like your mother, like your daughter. If a nene makona kusili mwaya like your mother, like your daughter. 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 Like your mother, like your daughter.
People are wicked, eh? What a heartless in-law. Well, he married from a wrong family. But Teresa is so wicked. How can she do this to a man who changed her life in a twinkling of an eye? To fear kwa? Omanga.
Like your mother, like your daughter. Like your mother, like your daughter. Like your mother, like your daughter.
Did you hear what she was telling her daughter before she left?
Mama, I know the more fun ulo happen. But from the way she was whispering, I think she is angry with her daughter.
Why?
That is what I don't know. But again, from the way she sounded on a low tone, they do not want us to hear what they were arguing about.
I don't trust that woman. That woman can ask her daughter to inflict the ransom. Yes.
Mama, if I could all the 100% possible, that woman can do the undo.
Anyways, let them inflate the ransom, but let my son be safe. That's all I want.
My brother Chike will be fine. Abu Mankai will be fine. Mama, you will be safe. That reminds me. I cannot believe that brother Jerry could not return all the missed calls I gave him. How many missed calls for that man?
Please, please. I have nothing to say about Jerry for now until I set my eyes on Chike. Please, anything about Jerry, please.
Mama, you will definitely set your eyes on him. What if I am here, Biko? Nothing will happen to my brother. What's the mood be her brother Jerry?
What's the meaning of this? And my secretary says she couldn't identify who brought this letter. Who is this person?
If I'm a Mary, I'll go to no man. I hope you know the
The lady brought this letter yesterday after I left.
The lady?
Yes.
You don't know who?
No, I don't know who she was. She said she came to see you.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I can hear a family.
I know you might not understand the content of this letter because of the spell cast on you by your mother-in-law, Teresa. She did it so that you will forget about the tipper you gave her husband. The same Teresa now has a shop at Ogige Market. She connived with your wife who has been indirectly collecting money from you each time you give her money to get things for household. Let this letter be an eye-opener to you.
Who are you and why did you barge into my office without knocking? We are here to see you. Is that enough reason for you to display this kind of mannerlessness? Do you lack man? How can you barge into someone's office? Jesus.
Now you see why we don't have manners.
Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please.
Stand on your feet.
Please, don't
your hand in the air.
Stand up! Get up! Please, I'll give you anything you want, don't shoot me.
Now move it.
To where?
We are going on a ride.
Don't
let us repeat ourselves. Move.
Don't repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself. See,
Ifoma kanji we bakute fanu kini kavaje mesi metua hopi modi kwa nochao haka kambara kanyere fanu.
Sir, you have a letter from the gate man. He said the lady gave it to him.
A lady again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, drop it on the table. Okay, drop it there. I'm sorry, you brought a letter like this some days ago, right?
That's
true.
true.
I was kidnapped.
Yes.
Are you sure you couldn't recall the face of the bearer?
No. I can't remember the face because I was in a hurry that day.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? Aka come back where I come near a fan. If I can't you way back with the fan. Kini kavaje mezi metua. Hopi modi kwa nochao. Aka come back I come near a fan. If I come to you.
What is going on?
If I'm a mere I'll gunjano, man, I hope you would be one chao. I oh, I no more. The mother run me. If I'm a mere a broken man, I hope you would be one chao. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a can't you way back with the fan.
Remember the first letter I sent to you that day you were kidnapped? Please do not joke with it. Now I am sending this one to you again. You have a heartless woman as an in-law. She persuaded your wife not to pay the kidnappers for your release. Do you know why? She wanted you dead in the hands of the kidnappers so that her family will inherit your wealth. Your wife can tell you more about this. Thank you. I know you might not understand the content of this letter because of the spell cast on you by your mother-in-law, Teresa. She did it so that you will forget about the tipper you gave her husband. The same Teresa now has a shop at Ogige Market. She connived with your wife who has been indirectly collecting money from you each time you give her money to get things for household. Let this letter be an eye-opener to you.
those information true?
Of course you know they are not true. You can't be asking me this question.
Did your mother ask you not to pay my ransom?
My mother can never say such a thing and you know it. Where did you get this from?
Okay. How about the second letter? Did you use my money to open a shop for your mother at Dikeh market?
Baby, I swear I did not do it. You should know me better than this. I do not know anything about this letter. I don't know anything about it. Where are the letters? Mama, he collected them back from me. Mama.
You didn't play, you played foolish here. Eh? You would have sneaked it out. I wanted to set my eyes on those letters.
Mama, the letter is already taken. Oh. It's taken means it's taken. And besides, whoever that wrote that letter got his or her information from you. Because the person wrote it as if he or she was very sure.
From me?
Think, oh, Mama, think.
From me?
Yes, Mama.
And who could that be?
I don't know. Who have you been giving information about our family? Secondly, Mama, I wanted to ask you. Did you by any chance charm my husband? Because I don't get the reason why he's not talking about the truck or even acting as if he remembers he has a truck.
What kind of stupid question is that?
Mama, it is not a stupid question. I'm asking because it would be so wrong of you to do such thing without even getting me involved. Why wouldn't you tell me the truth?
So you're saying that I charmed your husband? Is that what
you're
you're trying
to say? I'm just asking you, Mama. Did you or did you not?
What would you all this about me? I asked the question.
Mama, nobody told me. It's part of the content in the letter.
One name. Jerry Zero. Jerry, I want to believe you're joking. You are really joking.
Does it look like I'm joking? I'm telling you exactly what happened.
You mean Chike, your younger brother, gave 80 million naira to kidnappers?
I say don't mind the fool, because... Oh.
Man. So your younger brother has that kind of money and he just left you all to yourself to wallow your business down, nothing serious happening to you. Oh man, that guy is really...
Tell me, is that not sheer wickedness? Isn't it?
You said sheer wickedness. You are watering it down. One day, you are watering it down. That is wickedness in the high places. In fact, he's a recalcitrant deviant.
But the work we do, that your brother had, he's a ritualist. He is a ritualist. And that's why he hates his brother. So that's why he has refused to help or give money. He's a ritualist.
See, if you ask me, Jerry, if you ask me, I will tell you are the cause of all this. Ma Basi, you are the cause of all this. Yes. If I were you...
tell me how.
Let me tell you. If I were you, one day,
Hey! I told you. Okay, action man, no.
So you can hear her. So you can hear her. Ma Basi, I will teach him the lesson of his life. Lesson he will never forget. Abish.
Oh. Odogu. Calm down. You see, it's never too late. I sold just one piece of land.
Just
one. What I'm about to do next, all the hairs on their backs will stand up like this.
One day.
I trust you.
Jerry, I trust you. I know what you can do.
Thank you.
Teach them a lesson they will never forget.
Nyakam Jesege, I'm on Angwo, Namko Nabia. You will hear the scores very soon. Okwa Jerry, you will hear the scores.
My brother from another mother. I'm an
Baby, I trust you. I know what you can do. Man, have good your brother. Let's drink, let's marry, let's enjoy. Order more drinks, Pico. In cartons. More drinks.
In cartons. That is not a problem. My boss in our also say cookie lady. Not a problem. By the time we are done here, I'll take the rest from here.
You are free on Keki. Enjoy.
Bowman, please come.
Madam, hurry up.
Okay,
welcome. There's money to spend.
Okay, you mean I should get one bottle of each for everybody that is here?
He said round table. Cartons.
Okay, just give me a second, I'll be back.
Good afternoon.
Where is your mother?
She's at the backyard.
Go and call her for me.
Okay.
Just run.
Okay.
Hey, Teresa, my good friend. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope all is well.
No, it's not well. Hey. See, Veronica, I came to ask you something. Somebody wrote 2 letters to my son-in-law. One, telling him that I bewitched him about that truck he bought for my husband. And the other one, that I told my daughter not to pay the 80 million to the kidnappers. I want to know who wrote that letter. That's why I came to ask you.
Wait, the one who wrote it?
That's the question. That's what I don't know. That's why I came to see you.
Do I know how to write, not to talk of read?
But you're the only person that knows about this. Also, go and come right here. You are the only one that knows this movement. Is it the one you told? So who wrote it now? That's why I came to you.
How come?
I know why I'm saying this. I won't even push you. Since you say it's not you that wrote it. So I am not pushing you to accept that you wrote it. But I want to tell you, whoever that wrote this letter, whoever that wrote this letter, all about the letter, she will know that they all I will deal with that person. I will get to the root of this matter. I will not allow this matter die like this. I will get to the root of it. I'll find out who wrote this letter. I will find. I know why I'm telling you. Whoever I wrote this thing should get ready for me. I'll find out who wrote this letter. That's why I came to you. I'll find out this person. I'll kill this person. Come on,
This is just the beginning. Your husband will know everything about you.
Good afternoon.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
Your brother called. He said he will visit tomorrow. That there is something he would like to show me.
Something?
That is what he said over the phone.
What could that be?
I don't know until he comes. And where is this idiot going to? Where are you going? Huh? Why are you following my son up and down now, bagally fetching on him all over him like flies? Flaunting all over his waist. I have heard stories of how he has been spending so much on you.
Mama, please stop insulting me. Eh? What sort of statement is that?
Take her out of here. I don't want to see her here again.
No, Mama. Amoge is a girl that I want to marry. Eh? So I won't allow you to treat her like that. Pico.
Get out!
Honey, you know I do not like insults. Why would you bring me here for your mother to insult me? See, I'll just go, okay? When you're ready to see me, you know where to find me.
Lele, honey. Come on, Lele, psycho. This is the kind of name you call him that makes him lavish all his money on you. Honey, get out of here. I said get out. I will leave. Get out.
I'm okay.
You are not ashamed. You are not ashamed of yourself, Jerry. A zombie. The new Congo. Yeah, I'm okay. You're not ashamed of yourself. Look at the kind of person you move with. Let me see her here again. I'm not here to come.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country, we're back with the fan. Kini kavate mezi metua. Hopi modi kwa nochao. I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country, we're back with the fan. Kini kavate mezi metua. Yeah, mere oh one don't know. Oh one don't know. If I'm a mere I don't know. Mana hopi modi kwa nochao.
What are you looking for?
Nothing. I'm not looking for.
Nothing, you say?
Yes.
That's my bag.
Yes, I came into the room so it was scattered. I needed to arrange everywhere. Sorry. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, welcome. I need to fix something for you to eat. I'll be right back.
What is she looking for in my bag? Kedife this woman nacho in my travel personal bag. Kedife this woman nacho in my bag.
What are you even trying to say? What are you saying?
What I am saying is that I ransacked the whole house, yet I was not able to find it. I don't know where he kept it.
You checked everywhere. Then you should have asked him. And enjoy and...
Mama, I don't want him to suspect anything, so I couldn't ask him.
I have my personal reason why I want to see that letter. I have a reason for that letter. That's why I want to see it.
But Mama, let me ask you this question. What do you want to do with this letter? After all, I've given you all the information that came with it. What else do you want from this letter?
What? I have my reasons. What was it? What is he doing here? Ogo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Hey, no.
Baby.
Ogo, no.
You didn't tell me you were coming here.
I didn't plan to. Mama called me. Mama called me immediately you left. It was an emergency.
Hi.
So, what are you doing here?
I came to see your father. Where is he?
My husband is not around. I hope all is well.
All is well. I just wanted to see him.
Oh.
Okay, tell him I came around. I will speak with him on phone.
I hope all is well.
Baby, is everything okay?
All is well.
I'll go come.
Baby, bye-bye.
Like it butter, like it butter.
Why then is my husband here?
I want a rum. Bye-bye.
Mama, I smell trouble. I know what I am telling you. I know my husband too well. I'm sure he came here regarding this letter. Mama, I'm here.
So, he smell trouble, Mamus. He came to greet your father.
Mama, I am telling you about the same man that I live with, my husband. I know him.
He got a raw. What is wrong in coming to greet
Mama,
your father-in-law? Stop smelling things like that. Can't you smell it?
Mama, can't you sniff trouble?
This is not trouble. This is greeting. Okay.
Ify, that woman had the guts to drive me out of her house.
Eh? You mean she drove you out?
My sister, she did not only drive me out of her house, she gave me the highest insult of my life. You need to see me. I was so angry with myself.
Did she beat you?
Eh? Beat me, Mwa, Amoge. Oh, no.
Okay, so what did Jerry say?
Who is Jerry? That fool. You shouldn't be asking me stupid questions like this now. You should know Jerry. Jerry cannot say or do anything. He was just there begging me, Amoge, Amoge. He couldn't even call his mother to order.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
You see why I love my Odogu so much? Ha! Odogu Wokem. He can never tolerate such nonsense. Impossible. The last time I went to their house, her mother was there, but she could not even do anything. She did not do anything. Yes, so.
My sister, you are lucky. I envy you. But you see that Jerry that I am dating, he's a coward. That's why his brother has little or no regard for him. But trust me, you know me. The only reason I am following that fool is because of the money, that little money that is remaining in his hands. Once I manage to squeeze it out, he will not even see my brake light. My bawado. Don't worry, you know me now. You know what I can do.
Bad girl, I trust you.
I trust you. You know what I can do. I do not blame that woman. She should be happy that someone like me is even following her son around, that stupid boy. Jerry is not wise. If he's wise, he will target the money in his brother's hands. Do you know what it means to pay 80 million naira as ransom? Do you know what it means?
That guy came on you.
Don't even talk about it, my sister. Because the moment I think about the kind of money that guy has, it breaks my heart. Onabawa Mobi. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to think about it. But not to worry. I will come by your house. We have a lot to talk about.
Okay. Alright now. See you next time.
Right.
I'm okay, baby.
My love.
Aka kambia kwara kamnyere fanu Ifoma kanjiwe dakute fanu Kini kavaje mezi metua Obi mudi kwa nochao Aka kambia rakanyere fanu Ifoma kanjiwe dakute fa Kini kavaje mezi metua Yeah.
I just got off the phone with your father. Did he call you?
No, he did not.
He said they will be needing you at home for about 3 days. I don't know what for. And he was going to call you. So I thought he had called you.
My father said that. Well, he hasn't called me.
Okay then.
That reminds me. I wanted to ask you. What took you to my father's house?
Don't worry, it's personal.
It's personal. What kind of personal issue would you have with my father that your wife should not know about it?
Don't worry about that. It's not something to be bothered about.
Bothered? Nah, I'm not bothered.
Are you telling me truth. That Jerry did not use that money for his business.
Are you the one asking this question? How many times have you seen him go to his shop? All he does is to move from one beer parlor to the other with that useless girl called Amoge.
Hey! Jerry! Onye meligi fa Jerry, onye biliga aka.
Nine, Idaya. Nobody. No one. Don't point any accusing finger at anybody. Jerry is the architect of his own problem.
Go there. You see, I have taken a critical look at that girl, Amoge. I strongly believe that that girl is from one of the newly refined coven assigned to Jerry against his destruction. And you understand, I have spoken to Jerry over and over. Over time, I have told Jerry, please leave this girl. But Jerry would not listen. Just look at Chike. Look at Chike of yesterday. Chike is doing wonderfully and marvelously well in his bread business.
That is my son.
Onya.
Onya. That is the husband that I'm seeing today.
Good.
Chike.
Now, but what about Jerry? Jerry is just busy moving around with that girl from a newly refined coven against his own destiny.
Look at you. Yeah, I heard everything you said. That is how you leave your place to come here to create chaos, sowing seeds of confusion. Manatata, Obego. Stand up. Get out.
David.
Go there. In Ifokul. Did you hear him?
I said sit properly.
Ugodia, this is the second the second time when I should leave my own brother's house, Ugodia.
Don't allow my mother's words to deceive you. If I have to come down from this pavement, I'm going to bundle you out and fling you out.
You are going to regret it.
I will not regret anything. Mama, listen. Moka mekata biebo ozo. I'm going to pick him up like this. Your chaya, fling him out.
You can't regret it, Jerry. Jerry, you will regret it. You will regret it.
Nonsense here.
You will regret it.
Are you listening to the idiot?
What he's saying, is it not truth? You will regret it. Ha! You will regret it. Let me set my eyes on that idiot, that useless guy I call that word. That's a man.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country way back with the fan. Kini kavaje mezi metua Obi modi kwa nochao Haka kambiara kanye.
Has my wife returned?
Teresa, she hasn't.
You mean she has not come back home?
Yeah, yamere o anuro If I'm a mere gonjano, mana obi mudi kwa nochao.
She's still not taking her calls. She said she was going to spend just 3 days at her father's. Today is the 5th day, yet no single call from her.
Ama nwa.
Ifi.
Baby Oko. Hey, look at you.
Again,
this one you're looking so beautiful this afternoon.
Oh,
hey.
Just stop. Jerry Simmabanuma.
Yeah.
What do you expect? I should be looking sexy for him.
I don't know. It's not your fault, Sha. So, where are you heading to?
Where else, my sister? I am going to see Jerry. He said I should come so he will spoil me as usual. I want to go and eat his money.
That guy. So Jerry doesn't want to do something meaningful with his life. He wants to finish everything. The whole money he realized from the sale of their family land at once.
My sister, why do you like bothering yourself about how Jerry spends his money or not? My dear, since he doesn't want to be useful to himself, I will help him finish the money. My dear, I have a plan. Once the plan matures, I am relocating for good. I will leave this village for good.
You have a plan? So what is the plan?
Ify, you like gossip. You like to hear gossip. But not to worry, it is a secret.
A secret that you cannot share with me, your best friend.
I will share it with you, but calm down. Once my plan matures, Jerry will not see me again. Just take it from me.
Okay, so remember me in your paradise.
Of course I will remember my bosom friend. Why would I remember you? I'll remember you, Ify. Hey. Let me just run along. Don't worry. I will come and see you later.
Okay. No problem.
Ify.
Let
me go and eat Jerry's money. Since he doesn't know what to do with the money. Ify. I'll see you later.
Jerry, good morning.
Who took my ATM?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Who took my ATM card?
But Jerry, I don't know who took your ATM card now.
You don't know? You don't know?
How would I know? Have you ever seen me enter your room without your permission?
In Atwala, what did you just say now?
But Jerry, I did not take your ATM card now. I did not take your ATM card.
Then who took it?
How would I know? Do I have your PIN?
In Atwala. In Atwala. What do you mean, how would you know? Do you have my PIN? So how my ATM card suddenly develop wings and fly out?
But I don't know. I don't know. But Jerry, it's too early to start looking for trouble. How would I know? What am I doing to
listen and listen well. I am going to wait till Mama comes back. I'll bring that ATM up, Potaro. By the time Mama comes back, it ain't no.
Look for ATM very well. Really? Look for ATM card. ATM card.
The matter thing, that ATM card couldn't have just disappeared. Or they between Ginwa and Mama, one of you must provide that ATM. Otherwise, the messy on the pen. Jerry Kuruji Ebu.
Brother Jerry, what will I do with the ATM? The ATM card again, must be ATM card. What will I do with the ATM card? Do I know your PIN? Have you ever seen me enter your room without your permission? You know, see my ATM card. You're lucky you did not touch me. My can lead to be my God today. See my ATM card. We na ta chicken now. Kai. Ah, boy, I lose my box. You did not know your ATM card you need. Maybe you have finished spending your money on that useless girl in a beer in this village. You're looking for a cover-up. Whoopee! Kamama Janata.
What's going on? Are you traveling?
Ify, my plan has matured as I told you. So I am leaving this village immediately.
You're traveling and you didn't bother to tell me?
No. I had it in mind. I had it in mind to call you as soon as I get to the city.
So when are you coming back?
Coming back? I am not coming back to this village. I am relocating to the city. I am not coming back.
Huh. Okay. Jerry is he aware of your travel?
Who is Jerry? I'm talking about something that is very important. You're telling me Jerry. Biko. See, I will call you with my new line as soon as I get to the city. Oh, don't worry. I will call you. Don't worry.
Where did Amogi get the money from? Because I'm sure Jerry is not aware of this travel.
You don't know what happened today. Brother Jerry has been ranting since morning. Now I get your ATM card here. Now he's Zulu ATM card here. That he is waiting for you to come back before he acts.
Where did he keep the ATM card?
Mama, he said that both of us knows what happened to the ATM card.
Is he mad? What am I going to do with his ATM card?
Jokwam.
Mama, I believe your daughter must have told you. I need my ATM card now. As in Kita.
Jerry, are you out of your mind? What am I doing with your ATM card? What is my business with your ATM card?
No, Mama, this is not about you shouting at me. Okay, I want that ATM card now. I said, now.
You are a fool, if so, for asking me of your ATM card. What is my business with it? Huh? No, Uncle.
So what happened to my ATM card? Akuya?
Najum, have I not told you to search for it in your room very well? Can you hide the ATM card again?
You're still talking. Whether the two of you like it or not, my ATM must come out now. That
is your business. And you walk down.
Okay.
Making your ATM card.
That
is your business.
Dikeh. Hey, who's doing this to me, Biko? Yeah. Who did you give my ATM?
What did I do?
Who did you give my ATM?
Sorry! Leave me alone! I'm not getting you to the asset. What did you say? I don't know the asset. Can I use the ATM without talking? Who did you give it? Who did you give it? He has got your body! Don't be able to tell you. I want to be. How can I make you the best without your feet?
Jerry!
Hey, babe.
Where are you coming from?
From my father's house. That's where I'm coming from.
And why haven't you been picking my calls?
Because I didn't see my phone ringing. Okay, as a matter of fact, I saw your missed call and then I tried calling back, but the network was very bad.
You couldn't reach me for 7 days. Meanwhile, your father said you were going to spend just 3 days at his place.
Why are you giving me that look? Wait a minute. Don't tell me you're doubting my whereabouts. Why don't you call my father to confirm?
Vivian.
Chike, Biko, please, if you do not mind, I am very tired. I need to go in there, freshen up, and then eat good food. As a matter of fact, get a wonderful massage, a warm one from my husband. But you won't do it tonight, Mamania. So please, excuse me.
Aka kambara kanyere fanu before ma come chiri we back with the fa gene ka vaje mezi metu au yeah ya mere o anu no if I'm a mere a ganjano mana obi mo di kwa no chao ai o anu no ndemade mi wenu me if I'm a mere a ganjano mana obi mo di kwa no chao. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I can.
Hey, babe.
What are those marks on your back? Where did you get them from?
Oh, this? Well, I just got them.
What are they for? And how did you come about those marks?
Baby, it is called Obiali Umboya.
Meaning?
Back to sender.
Is that what you went to your father's house?
Do not even start. I thought you just woke up right now. I mean, do you want to start doing this? Could you at least wait for your wife?
Will you shut up? You think I don't have the right to demand an explanation to those marks you have? What are those things for? What are those marks for?
Chike, it is obvious that you woke up this morning to fight. You want to have issues. You like a quarrel, it gives you vitamin A in your body. Let me tell you something, I am not in the mood for it. If you do not mind, excuse me.
Vivian. Vivian!
Wow. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back.
Mama, he's been making troubles with me since he saw this mark. I don't know, he's just been shouting since morning, Mama. I already explained to him, I already told him it's like a back to send or something. I've been trying to explain to him, but he's not listening to me. Mama, listen, you have to tell Papa to call him on the phone. Because I will not take any nonsense from him this morning. I'm not in the mood to shout or nag with anybody. Just tell him to call him on the phone, please. Thank you.
If I'm a mere a Bugonjono man, I hope you mudi how did I can't come there, I can hear a fan. If I'm a come to you, back with the fan.
I thought you said we're going to your staff. I don't care. What are we doing in my father's compound?
I forgot we were supposed to come see your father first before going. What is a shrine doing in your father's compound? What for?
Hi, Agamo. No. Hey, afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, no. You didn't call me to inform me that both of you were coming.
Mama, I didn't even know we were coming here, not until now.
Yes, where is your husband?
He has gone out for his business. Ogo, I hope all is well. Hi, Agamo. Hey! See your husband, he can surprise people. What is he bringing again? Okay, where feet? How come?
Chike, that's my luggage. What? You mean you've had this all this while in the boat? Mama, what's going on? What?
You will remain in your father's house till further notice.
Eh?